Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to ensure you are not trading within two of a price limit. To begin, understand that a price limit is a critical boundary set for a security's price movement. Trading too close, specifically within 2 units of this limit, can lead to unexpected order rejections or unfavorable executions. It's essential to establish a clear buffer zone to protect your trades and ensure they process as intended, maintaining market stability. To define your safe buffer, first identify the exact upper and lower price limits for the asset you are trading. For selling, subtract 2 units from the upper limit. This is your new maximum sell price. For buying, add 2 units to the lower limit. This is your new minimum buy price. Always ensure your orders are placed strictly outside these 2-unit buffer zones to avoid issues and maintain compliance. Implementing safe trading involves using your platform's features wisely. Leverage advanced order types to precisely place your trades outside the 2-unit buffer. When setting stop-loss or take-profit orders, always factor in the safety margin. It's also crucial to regularly review and adjust your buffer calculations, as price limits can fluctuate. Automated alerts can be very helpful for notifying you when price is near these critical zones. Adopting this 2-unit buffer strategy offers substantial benefits. It significantly reduces the likelihood of your orders being rejected, saving you time and potential frustration. More importantly, it protects you from unexpected losses that can occur when prices hit or breach a limit. By ensuring compliance with market rules, you safeguard your trading account and foster a more disciplined, ultimately more successful, approach to your trading activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.